Reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds. Asteroid.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Don't know I got the sauce. No ketchup, just sauce. Raw sauce. Boom, yo, God. The thing goes.
Earth, a tiny blue speck, adrift in the vast cosmic ocean, shaped by the dance of asteroids. Our whole existence rests on the edge of this delicate balance between creation and chaos. Asteroid.
Geeks, say when you're a bachelor, it's just sauce. There's no borscht on the bun. Hey, bro, you gotta hustle to get that sauce first. Thank you so much.
Divorce, you mean?
The divorce, yeah.
Just sauce.
It's just sauce there, bro. Some oaks are out there, just
Still
some
waiting.
mayo on there. Other oaks are there with some tomato sauce.
Still waiting for the
Yeah. Then when you really upgrade, you got that Lani tomato onion sauce, bro. But Chad, hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are ready for round 2. Bro, my eyes have been chalking me today. I don't know what it is. Oh.
It's all that sauce without the
Sure.
borscht.
But Chad, I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are ready. Hope you're rested after London session. It feels like literally just a few minutes ago we were on here trading, and now we're back again.
This day feels long because it
Yeah.
is actually long.
But it's good. Now we're gonna see what New York session has for us. On the news side, we'll see there's nothing really there. So typical Monday. But it is month ends as we start to approach that. So we're going to see what we can get into. What other trouble we can get into, whether that is making more money, because that's also trouble, or if we are going to just give back some money and really get ourselves into trouble. But your keys, your eyes, even swollen, brother. Maybe get some eye drops, bro. It's.
Do you have eye drops?
I don't know if we have yet at the office.
I think we have. We have.
I don't know. I'll go check it. But before we get into any of that good stuff, Chad, and I know some of you DJs are probably already firing some shots. We're going to open up these streams. In doing so, if you are new, please subscribe, drop a like, turn the notification bell. And then, guys, just a heads up, we are having some. We're just going to go with technical difficulties.
Trying to get that eye sauce for you.
Alright, the eye sauce. But the website is down at the moment, so we do apologize for that for any of you guys that are checking out the TGS thing. If you are going to go that route, you have to go through WAP at the moment, alright? So please just go through the WAP link if you can. You will still obviously be joined. You will have access to everything. Obviously, guys that are in Project G, remember, this is migration week, so we are going to be moving people over. I'll do it now after the.
Come up with the sauce.
I'll do it after the prayer.
You trust me to put the sauce in your
Bro,
eye.
we are doing it after.
Let me put the sauce in your eye, bro.
Shit, this guy's gonna nuke
Just
me.
one. Okay, put your hand back. Trust
This
me.
guy's gonna nuke me, yeah.
But so I'm gonna put it here on the inside, and then you just turn. Okay?
What?
Yeah. So I don't want to put it there. So keep your eye open. So I'm gonna put it there in that front part. There. Okay. Keep it. Turn your eye. Squint it. Okay. Other eye.
I don't need it in both. It's just the one eye.
Is it just that one?
Yeah.
Is there enough sauce in the eye?
Chad, this man put this thing in like he was putting sauce on like a boss roll, yeah. I can like barely see out this eye now. Chad, bro, that was a lot you put in. Oh, Chad. I'm
That's
a
the
bit
sauce.
blind at the moment. In doing that, I just sort this out, yeah. In doing that, I might need to just wipe my eye, but yeah. Chris, while I try and figure this out, will you open us up with a prayer, brother?
That man got a lot of eye sauce. I'm actually thinking that's a new business venture. We can call it eye sauce.
Eye sauce.
Sauce for your eye. But it's a little cold as well, Kigo. Alright, Chad. But you look better. You look a lot better. How do you feel?
I feel like there's a lot of sauce in my eye. But
Hi, Kiki. Woo! Okay.
eye lotion.
Lotion for the eye. Alright, Chad. Alright, life is already serious enough, Chad. Let's bow our heads and let's pray here today. Lord, we just want to thank you for another session, for another day. Thank you that you are with us. Thank you that you lead us and that you guide us. We just want to come with thoughts of gratitude this afternoon. Thank you for giving us the opportunity, the ability to do what we love. Thank you that we can know that you've got our back. Thank you that we can completely trust you even when things look grim, even when things look dark, Lord, that we can still put our trust in you. You say in your word, you will never leave us nor forsake us. And I pray that prayer for each and every one of us here, those that hear our voice, those that engage with our content, and that they can know that they can fully trust you, Lord. We pray this and we ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop an amen right now.
Amen.
Amen.
There we go, Chad. Just like that, I have sight again.
Is it better?
It is.
Okay.
Oh, still a bit saucy, but it's. But Chad, nonetheless, we're gonna get into it.
Too
as
much
you said,
sauce.
no fundamental chat. There's nothing really to watch out for this. We're gonna jump right into the charts. You guys were here this morning, spoke to you guys about why I'm still neutral and where we actually were going to see a bit more of a bearish move on the dollar, and that's exactly what we did actually get. Really trading quite back down, monthly R1, back to where we wanted to see everything happen. And then the big thing for us was just to monitor what we could look out for over there. So again, that's monthly R1, just waiting for things to load. There we go. Monthly R1. Breaking underneath that, holding the EQ with that little bit of a sweep of Asia lows, now back in here. Same thing I said to you guys, if we are trading underneath that monthly R1, very simple, going to be looking a bit more bearish for the dollar. If it does manage to get back above that monthly R1, good chance we could go bullish again, but for now, going to be having a little more of a bearish outlook. Going over to US 30, same idea. Remember we said that I'm bullish. But if it's going to continue bullish, I don't think we're going to get a gap fill today. Now, again, we definitely can. Just similar to what we had with the dollar last week. Almost going 2-3 days before we decided to start closing up some of those gaps. In this instance, you can see we did close back into the Asia range. Had a little bit of a grind out there. Coming back down to Asia lows, but just giving us that retest and then going bullish again right now. So as I said, if this thing breaks, you wanted to see that Asia low run, then there was that good chance we're going for the gap fill. But the way we are sitting now, good chance this thing can just decide to absolutely run again. So we're going to monitor that. If it can break Asia highs, I think this thing's going for it. And the same way, if it breaks Asia lows, then I definitely think those sells are on. So just look for a closure underneath Asia lows. Then last from my side is gold. Gold is the big one today. I'm not going to force anything for this session purely because we did have a very, very nice trade this morning session. But where we are trading right now, almost in a little bit of no man's land. We want to see us obviously go down for those key areas. And the big thing for me, guys, 4,000. So, Chad, after we had all this, the thing for me is the markets know where they are. Don't ever get that wrong. And this came very, very close. 4,005, even a little bit lower, 4,004. But we never tested 4,000. So that is still definitely on the cards for me. We want to monitor what's going to happen there. And as much as this candle closed back in, holding previous day lows, the next one, nice massive bottom we're closing there. If we close in and start trading, there's a good chance we're going to go bullish. Now, why do I say that? Very, very simple thing is because we had a massive wick that did take out that previous low on the fall. So if we start getting something like this and we start closing above this previous day low with a hold, good chance we could get a little bit of a bar back here on gold. But as long as we start trading underneath here, I'm going to be looking to retake more sales to go further down. Taking out these lows, and as we said, coming into previous weekly lows and giving us that 4,000 psychological retest. So we're going to monitor that to happen there. Ideally, this would be a perfect idea, seeing the indices go bullish again, seeing gold sell, because lately they do just move together. But if we could get that, that would be most ideal from my side. But that's everything from me, Chad. Cribbo, over to you, brother.
Thank you, Kigo. I just want to hydrate here quickly, Chad.
Do you need some ice sauce?
You're going to put some sauce in my eye, you can. Maybe I must get some of that ice sauce.
If I lose a trade, it's because I had sauce in my eyes, guys. I couldn't look at the charts properly.
Real men take the sauce before the trade.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Bro, if that super glue is not gonna harden in your eye. Because I didn't even record it for the views. No, I'm kidding. Alrighty, Chad, let's have a look here. Okay, dollar, interestingly enough, Chad, we spoke about it, potentially bullish. Still trading within that range from Friday, so can't really make a call here as of yet. But this morning we spoke about that zone up there. And then we spoke about this zone, this daily zone. So if we can get above it, it's going to be bullish. If we reject it, it is going to be bearish. Okay, simple as that. US 30 this morning, we also spoke about it. Nice daily breakout. Unfortunately, that gap we still have open there. And this was what I marked out this morning. And I said, very simply put, if we can get above that zone, we were going to go bullish, which we couldn't do. This actually played out. Now, for the rest of the session, I'm going to say right here, Chad, this is going to be your execution zone. Okay. This is where you need to look at price. Very, very simple here this afternoon. Nothing too hectic, nothing too complex. NASDAQ, very simple. We were bullish on the day. This was the few scenarios we drew out this morning. Beautiful test there of Asia highs. Nice continuation to the upside for me now. This is relatively, it's chalked for me. Let me just see where is, Chad, I'm gonna say, this is tough, Chad. We've got that gap.
Bro, you still analyzing that?
Bro, I don't know why I still analyze it. It's to help the guys because this analysis is quite strong sometimes. Chad, I'm gonna say this is the only scenario. Anything here becomes risky. You don't necessarily want to short. We need all-time highs. I'll say wait for something around this daily flip, point of control level. Gold on the daily. Did it work? What? No, talk.
Yeah, Ruin, don't worry, bro. We also saw it, but we've already said what needs to be said about that.
What is that, Key?
That he also noticed that some other mentors took the same trade as us again.
Oh,
Exact same trade.
Yeah, we're powering the movement again. It seems like we're powering the movement. Anyways, Chad, gold. We mentioned the potential to go bear. Okay. Also mentioned we already tested this little area here. Okay. Oof. Coffee almost didn't make it. Two scenarios here. We've got a zone 1. Okay. We've got a zone 2. Alright. So currently still bearish. We are at that daily zone. Also previous daily low. Yes. So if we can start to hold below this level and break below it, then I do think the shorts are back on. Otherwise, there is that chance that we actually trade all the way back up here to Asia highs. So gold, like Higgs also said, not going to force anything here. We'll be patient. If there's no good setup, we don't take it. DAX, last but not least, also spoke about DAX, that level there, potentially trading up to that zone there, that key daily level. And then we've got a zone right here, and then we've got a zone right there. So this actually worked out quite nicely. That's what we drew out this morning. Okay, beautiful rejection of that zone. And now the next most logical level to be tested is going to be here. And this is where you can either get a nice bounce or this thing is just absolutely gonna collapse. And that is a rapid fire analysis, Kigalezi.
There we go.
Kigawaza.
My boys want the cracker. Alright, let's see what.
You want. They're still in the shade. Hey, Brian. I don't know how the boys caught exactly our trade. I would love to hear the analysis on that trade. But the boys caught it.
Especially when they entered on your entry. Not my entry, which has so much more of our typical trading.
Yeah.
But your entry, why they took that trade.
They took it to the pip. Boys need to get out of the shade, Brian. I was also in the shade 20 kgs ago.
What are we listening to, bro?
It's the movement. Yeah, Chad, I've lost 20 kgs. 20 kgs, 10 more to go. If anyone is from Nigeria, we need to test a PSP. Any Nigerian traders? Shot my brother. 20 kgs. I just took away the sauce and I only ate the borscht. No, none of that, Brian. Actually, what's it called, Keeks? Trizepatide. What is the sauce that I'm on?
Repetritard.
Repetrutrud. I don't know. I'm on the Repetrutride. Damn it, is that what it's called?
Yeah, Repetritard.
Repetrutride. Repetrutride. True tide. Reta true tide. Yeah, Reta true tide.
It's the pressure of trading. I lost 10 kg. Skipped work to watch you guys stream and it's been worth it.
It's been worth it. Yeah, I know, Brian. It's called Reta true tide. Nah, we don't play with that lightweight stuff. Zempic is for lightweights. We need the big guns.
I mean, Zempic hasn't been that good. I mean, it's been sued for all of its problems now.
Rate True Tide. I actually asked Keegan, so Keegan said it's technically like a steroid. So I'm like, I'm actually now a juicer.
A juicer.
so I'm technically on juice. But I love how people that would lose the weight would say, oh no bro, it's just this new ketogenic diet I'm on.
Lazy put in the mana on the real source.
People ask me how do I tell them. I'm like, bro, this is what I use. Other people will tell you, no, it's this new, it's diet fuel. I use diet fuel.
Water and lemon.
Water and lemon. And I'm like, wow. Okay. I've been trying that. How long? No, Jen, quite long, eh? Quite long. I'm only losing about 1.2 a week.
Okay, but let's also add a point in here, which makes it very valid. Is you losing 1.2, 1.4?
Yeah.
1.2, 1.4 a week doing nothing.
Oh, yeah.
If you were actually still dieting, still gymming, you'd have a lot quicker progress. But you literally
Yeah,
doing
one-
that,
1.4.
doing nothing.
Yeah, Jen, it's 1.3 a week. Because I got a smart scale, so I could check the weight.
Hot dog water, you'll always lose weight. It's the force source.
So it's been a little over, it's like been 3 months now.
But even then, bro, 3 months to lose 20 kgs is...
No, I need to start training. I think once I start training, the
end of month discount code Chris. Kevin, there literally was one last week.
yeah, we gave you guys a lacquer one.
Healthy loss weight is 500 grams per week. Let me train you free of charge. You're losing muscle mass, not fat.
I don't care really, bro. Like my jeans fit, so I can build the muscle back.
Keys, Chris just cooks those smoked red Viennas in that deadly flask, then sips that water all day, no chow. Gold shorts, looking saucy. Bro, technically you'd have to enter like... It's coming. You actually could have already entered. Like this this candle now.
Why? Where? What's done here? Oh no, that's tiny, dude. That's a microscopic.
Otherwise the next is that
No,
one
I
I'm
want to
talking
use the
of.
next one. Yeah. That's no, that sauce is too much for me.
Keys, can I ask, could we see gold bouncing up from the previous weekly low? Yes, you definitely can, but with probability, I'd see it. This is, I think, the third time we're going to be at that area, so close to 4,000. I have a more idea that we're going to go for that 4,000 then. But I can still be wrong, and it definitely can reverse that previous weekly low. Who wants to take bets on how long before Chris 10 kgs up again? I say 6 weeks.
Nah.
Chad,
That's
how about
good.
we take bets that we get Ed to 2k before Worlds, so he has to shave his head before Worlds.
Yeah, already, Carl, it's being uploaded, so it's gonna. The OES is going live most probably tomorrow morning. It's already recorded and it's already uploaded, so I think it will
Where's the
either be
horn,
up
Let's
tomorrow
even say
morning.
worst case scenario, end of the week. Worst case.
Yeah, worst case, I even want to say tomorrow night.
Chad, but that is it. Round 2. Markets open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
The shin tops white.
Bro, if you took that sell now, when I told you to, of that little micro gap,
No.
that's
dude.
still TP, bro.
Nah,
That
I
is
know,
still TP.
we don't do micros. Yeah, we go full.
I will switch off my channel at 1999. Chad, remember, he's in the office here with us. I promise you, we're going to hold him down and shave him.
Oh, this thing is getting saucy. Oof.
Here she comes.
Oof. Only thing is, stops are gonna have to be a little bit wide though. Stops are gonna have to be like almost.
Oh, we got the NCS JB back.
Kigalezi stops are gonna have to be $12.5 a year. $12.5. Sure.
Got you, bro.
Just let the chat know. $12.5. Otherwise, I would actually love if you check here.
I like the other one. I like this, bro.
No, I like it as well.
I like this one.
But you must probably going to go with the 50 stop again.
Never, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Keeps your stops are going to have to be like 13. Oh, 14. So what is that? That's if we get it, yeah.
I'm in the sales from 40 targeting previous weekly low. Beautiful stuff.
Who's that?
JDTFX.
JDT.
I know you gonna dig this.
Oh, we might get this one, Kiga Lazy.
I'm in gold longs. Woo, Jen, it's us again.
Woo, it's
But
Jen
this
Long.
time, Jen, we got a bigger stop loss. Okay, now we're definitely using that bigger stop loss, bro. Jen, round 2.
Jeez, Jen. Why would Jen make
we're
us
not-
nervous?
We're
Yeah.
not in yet, Jen. So, in a realistic world, maybe you get TP before we get in.
Yeah, we're not.
We're not
There's
in
no
yet.
entry for us as of yet. Jen, I think your longs are going to look good once we get back above that previous daily low. Then I really think
Yeah, then
those longs are
100%,
going to
yeah.
be sexy. Sexy longs. All right. We're gonna have to wait a little bit here for gold.
Iron Chin going long. Jen is our confluence.
Nah, Jenna's been on it, Chad. That's why this morning I was like, ooh. I was hoping Jen was short with us.
That's TP on the cracker. Woo. Andre, see, just because you asked nicely for the cracker, bro.
What did the cracker do? Buys.
Cracker snapped, bro.
Is that a buy? Say. Shay. Cracker lazy.
Cracker lazy.
Oh, Tesla, do it for the boys. Come on, Tessie. Bro, these zones that I draw look like they actually do something. Yeah. The nice thing about this is you can claim it either way.
No, I didn't take it. Waiting for gold, but I'm crying a bit. Hey, but I appreciate you. At least my members got it. Hey, Andre, you literally asked me for the cracker and then doesn't take it, and then it hits TP. The boys.
Yeah, this is Alex G's favorite setup. The head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Wait for the neckline to break and set and forget.
Bloody idiot, that guy.
Bro, I actually think him and Josh could get along quite nicely. There's your average daily range, Chad. If we get a break below there after failing once, twice, 3 times, you know we're heading to 39.74. I'm just saying. Why can't I use the undo button? When I heard the head and shoulders. But where did he start to blow up? Was he with Q and them, eh?
He was with all the guys, bro.
Was he just like
He
a
bounced
side?
around with all of them.
Okay.
But you see, that's the problem, bro. We don't have any like lack of oaks we can just go bounce around from in the industry and South Africa.
Yo, I don't want to bounce from anybody in this industry. I would rather just bounce on my own.
We've got to do the slower route, but
I would like to bounce some of their heads on the ground, but Brian, you haven't sent me a signal for today yet. Or must I send you our signal? Brian, have the boys not tried to get you involved with the movement? It's weird they haven't contacted Brian. Because I believe they're looking for somebody to stream. Shame, I heard Carl James was the only guy streaming. He was holding up the ship.
right.
After a while,
That
he's
man was
like,
having some serious back problems, bro.
he was like, boys, I can't carry the ship, yeah? What is this? It's like, no, you just keep doing that. We bring in the people. P720. It's like, no, but you guys said we will stream, but you just stream for now. Just do what you're doing. P700. Oh, P700. It's all about the rebates, boys. You gotta just get them trading. Carl's like, no, I only take 1 trade a month. Carl, that's not gonna work for us. Remember, the ship runs on rebates. Gotta pump those trades. They're 1 trade a month, rookie numbers. We need at least about 10 trades a day. Do you want us to get Joash to take your seat? And Carl was like, yeah, no, I'm out. Check you boys at the cross. Okay. Bro, I honestly don't know how they caught Carl with it, because Carl, obviously, he looks like a guy that will like check things out. Like,
and also he's been in it, like
yeah,
industry,
he's been
bro.
around.
He's-
Like, I would think Carl. I think they caught him at a bad time or something.
they really blind.
Yes, bro. They caught my boy bad there. Nee, dat hom met de millieboom gevangen was, so het.
But hey, he at least got himself out there, bro.
Bietjie melasse en 'n stukkie mieliebommetjie en 'n half hoeklijn en sinker.
Here comes our trade.
Yes, bro, our stops are gonna have to be massive.
Jen, we told you, it's round 2 this time.
Keegs are stops 150. Actually 156.
Hey, I was gonna say that's the first time I've seen Bevan in a while.
Devon.
Bevan.
Never heard of her. I'm joking. Keegs 150, bro. I was just letting you know. Actually, yo. Chad.
I need
stops.
4,800 pips for a $125,000 payout.
Okay, Chad, stops are gonna have to be here.
You won't go 50s
There.
50.
How much time do we have left?
Keys, I'm doing ping pong shorts from 37. Hey.
Bro. Our kick stops need to be that's literally where
We're gonna be
we might
aggressive.
not get it. Oh, we might. There we go. Wait.
If we get it, I'm gonna go 100 and then just half the loss of the previous entry, so that
We're gonna
I'm
go
still
under.
up on the day. Yeah.
Gonna go under. That's if we get it.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm in. That was so close, but
So we're going for 100 TP as well.
yeah.
Young Hundo. Okay, Chad. Keegan said that's where it should be, but Kigo said Hundo it is. 100 for 100. No, it's, oh no, stops. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's fine. Literally, that's right, Kigo. Literally a bit more there.
Have faith, bro.
No, I've got. Yo, bro, I put sauce in your eye. How would I not have faith in you? I put that sauce in your eye. And then break even is gonna be there. Sauce in the eye. Raw sauce. No, just put some sauce in Keegan's eye. Don't force it. Nah, this is a valid trade. This trade is 100% valid.
No, we're not forcing anything.
No.
Chad, for me though, I will probably run it to previous weekly low.
I thought you were going to say stuff like,
So I just want to wait till it's going to go. No, once it gets to the point, I'll go break even. But I'm going to have it run. Even the monthly R1, basically 4,005. We'll just do 200 again to round it up. Because that's kind of in that R1 and the weekly low. Because we said we obviously want to target 4,000 again. So I'll most likely just wrap it up for another 200 and then call it there.
Just likely wrap it up for another 200, Keeks.
And a nice 400 pip day.
Alrighty, Chad.
Alright, Chad, I'm break even. Break even.
Okay, I'm out.
I know you gonna dig this.
We are on for 200. Let's see it, Chad.
Okay, let me put it on your screen. I'm out. Let's go.
I'm happy, risk free. So either way, we can hit a break even, have another 200 day, or we're gonna have a 400 day.
Nah, I think this thing can run, bro.
We're taking out those lows
100%.
again, so this is where I want to see it run now.
100%. Remember that average daily range?
Yeah.
This thing could puke. I like it, but for me, there was just too much sauce. And this morning left me without a borscht. Bro, if MDM was in this, MDM, we gotta stop it. We gotta stop it. If MDM was in this, Chad, I don't know, because this is just some internal source. This is source that's only on here.
Pro tip, if you miss the trade, just rewind and then execute.
Who's
Jordan.
Oh, beautiful.
300 peperinos for day 1 of the week. Other people, that's a month.
And the boom. Skia. Boom. You done know.
You're done now. Bro, I found it. Let me get it for us.
So that is, I'm not the happiest with that inch. Oh, there we go, break even there, Chad. Okay. So I'm happy with that. I left 100 out there, but it was the chance to have a 400. I'm happy with that. Still a 200 pip day.
The site is not available in your country.
So for me, I'm happy with that. There was your 100 pepperonis.
I know Brian's gonna say something about Keeks. Look at the flat bodies on the left.
No, that's why I said I didn't ideally like that closure. I would have, if that closed underneath that, I would have loved that.
Okay, let me just get this on the soundboard. We might need to remove something, Kigo.
Thank you for the awesome trade, guys. Pleasure.
Okay, let me see. What am I gonna remove here? I don't have a... Can I add one more? Let's check here. I don't have space left on my numpad. Let's see if I can. Don't tell me it works.
The thing goes skinny keep pop and the boom. Skia. Boom. You done know.
Yeah, we got it. Keeks, you know what the only thing is?
Yeah.
Is if it tests there and it rejects that average daily range, this thing is... That was the only risk here because we haven't tested it.
No, it can do that, bro. I'm happy. I gave it, that's the whole thing. Gave it the chance. No, that didn't there. I'm cool, bro.
Richard, daylight savings is only for London, my brother. I think it's only next week.
No, I think next week or it's the week after changes.
Chad, I might reduce risk if we get something like this where we push in here and we reject. Okay, so I think you guys have seen so many times if we fail to hold above that average daily range, then you actually go to your next 2 standard deviations. So if we get a nice actual test, not like this wasn't really a test for me. If we get an actual nice rejection there, closure back below, I will take it. And then this one, I will just rush stops to break even and try and go for a little bit of a bigger trade. Because we already rejected the previous daily low, but I'll see. Lazo, what time? Okay. Is EQ, no, equilibrium. The word equilibrium means when something is at rest, or it's usually some type of median. So whenever you talk about equilibrium, it's a point of rest. Meaning of the word equilibrium. A state in which opposing forces or influences are balanced. A calm state of mind. A state of rest. So I still remember this from my science days. State of rest or balance due to equal action of opposing forces. That is the meaning of equilibrium. Yes, we go live every day, twice a day, Monday to Friday. If you subscribe and you hit that bell icon, you will be notified every day once we go live. So we are here 2 times a day. Keys, that's something guys follow us on IG, but they don't know we live stream. I don't know how we can...
Bro, we post all the time. I don't know what else we'd have to do. Like, literally today was a story of us on live stream. I don't know what else they want. Yeah, looks like gold can definitely run now, but I'm not gonna go for that again. thinking of it, if you think about it, bro, for a Monday, it was actually a very good Monday. I mean,
No, you
how
killed it.
This played out, the cracker played out. It was actually a good Monday.
You destroyed it.
So maybe the sauce in the eyes does work, bro.
Bro, I'm definitely letting you put sauce in my eye tomorrow. Chad, before we
magic
start,
sauce, guys.
Keegan has to, but I want double sauce. You need to,
One in each eye.
bro, you need to sauce my eyes tomorrow.
These peeps shouldn't be trading if they can't figure out from your IG that you live stream. If you check the silver chart, it has already broken 4 lows. Maybe gold follows. I said I am bearish. I still said to you guys, my money's on that we're going to 400 today. Or 4,000. I'm late to the stream. Hope this eye sauce isn't something fishy.
No, it's literally
It's-
eye sauce.
It's eye sauce.
It helps with your trading.
We've just branded it improve your trading eyesight. See winning trades before they happen. IN2K got sales on gold. That's the thing, guys. IN2K is just still a monster. We've always said when something's good, you don't have to keep improving it and making new ones. And IN2K is there, it does the thing. Ice also helps after some giggle twig. No one will know.
Giggle twig. Aye.
Sauce is boss.
Bro, is Pereira and Jones happening?
I haven't seen a confirmation on it.
Oh damn, full concern is just a full video at the bird.
They confirm it.
Hilton in Cabo. No, a little whale that got beached on the rocks.
Hey, actually.
Well, it looks like somebody's trying to catch the whale.
I mean, catching a whale also sounds fun.
Bro, I almost thought Paulie's wife is Asian, my dude.
What?
Bro, look at this. Or is this AI? Wait.
No, that's...
Oh, it's his wife. Hectic, bro.
Bro,
Have you checked
you saw her in person. I showed her at the airport.
Yeah, but she didn't look Asian there. Though. Shame, nothing that I love Asian people. I didn't know Paulie's. What a legend. Oh no, it's just that angle. Been a minute, the grid from 2G's filling wallets. Nee, ek sê nie sy is lelik hier. Ek net just toe ek scroll. Says chat, if you see quickly, if I go like this and you scroll, would you think that's an Asian lady? Does that look Asian to you? Check, you're scrolling, it's like, wait, what? Oh damn, there's Paulie's. Who's that? Sy was bietjie rof op skool tot hulle mekaar gevind het. Ek verstaan nie wat jy wat bedoel jy Etty? Hoe bedoel jy sy was bietjie rof?
Think Tom Aspinall needs the eye sauce. Why did the stream start so early? What do you mean, Fabs?
Yes, Bamba, rof, stout. Hierdie man 'n bietjie pak gekry, Etty. I actually feel bad now. So okay, I'm gonna stop now before I just completely.
Our times changed, Fobs. I was also confused.
Oh ja, it's still normal time for us. Sy het hulle gebiekie gekangfu. Te veel wors en geen sauce. Dis wat jy sê, Etie. Of was bietjie te veel wors op die bannetjie. Eetman sê, Keeks, that's when you throw the bun away and it's just the wors on the plate. Klein stukkie worspastei. Yeah, Stewie Naughty chat. That's why you need to pray for us every day, eh?
Bro, their goal's gonna run for it now. It's gonna take out those bodily lows.
This is where real men shorted it again.
Alright,
I'm joking.
There it goes. 409, 407, 406.
Oh.
That was the entry, guys, where we were in. Obviously, you can see where we went break even. So if you didn't go break even, you were fine. And there's your 200 over there. So it's just a little bit short of another 200 if you guys were still in it. So it is running nicely.
Yeah, we all know some of those girls that were only after the borscht without the sauce. Keeks?
Sure. Too many of them.
Bro, who's gonna fight Kamzat that can actually, like... I don't think there's anybody that can challenge him.
He might just leave the belt though.
Yeah, I think
it's
that...
gonna be inactive for so long.
Bro. I still want to cry when I think about how he just manhandled Trickers. Yes, dude.
I'll give it to you guys that you guys were very ambitious though. Chad, when we watched it, and I was like, the minute he went to the ground, round 2, I was like, boys, he's done. Like, this is going to be the whole fight. He's either going to have him submit or it's going to be the whole fight. And they're like, no. Round 2, Trickers has got him now. Trickers has got him. He's learned. And
Who
I'm
say
like,
that?
You guys are all so ambitious, bro.
Yeah, dude, it still breaks my heart. That fight. Bro, I was somewhat depressed afterwards.
Sorry, another question, please, if I may. How long are your daily streams? Each session's basically an hour and a half, 2 hours. So like now, obviously we already had our trade. We're out. We're just going to chill. But if we're waiting for a trade, we'll probably wait up to about 2 hours and then that's it.
Bro, you know what? If I was Drickers, he must chat to Khabib and he must literally move to Dagestan for a year. Eat and live with the guys, wrestle bears. Just be there with the... Bro, that's the only way. Eti, we can talk shit about the guys from Dagestan, but chill, they can wrestle, my dude.
Yeah, the thing is, Jordan, I agree with that. So many guys, when I spoke to them about that, they were all like, but Drickers doesn't need to wrestle. If he doesn't even get to the floor, Drickers is just going to mur him. And I'm like, yo, boys, you guys are underestimating what a good wrestler is going to do to you.
Oof. Bro, that was probably the most one-sided fight I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen
it was, yes, 100% was boring, but...
Drickers was nowhere.
There was nothing he could do. Bro, even when he got him in the crucifix, like it was just... he got it even to it, what, 3 times? I was like, bro, how could you not see that coming?
Yeah.
But again, like we sit here now saying, how do you not see it coming? But it's also just a thing of that's how good Kamzat is, that you know it's coming, but you couldn't do anything about it.
1 year is a... Conan, I don't think 1 year is enough, but Khabib and them are the best. They are literally, when you talk about technique, if you talk about a year is better than whatever else he's going to try and do.
You know, I saw a stat the other day. Did you know Kamzat, in his first 4 fights, he only received 2 punches? In your first 4 fights, you only got tagged twice.
That man is an absolute... All of them.
There's the 200, Chad. If any of you guys were in, as I said, 4,000 is the target, yeah, but that is, I mean, Chad, that's a 400 pip day. Like, that's beautiful. So, if you guys are still in, I wouldn't hold more after that. Factress, the team failed him. Those oaks at the Eastern Europe live for wrestling. Didn't Khabib wrestle a Cub Bear as a kid?
Yeah, bro, he mauled a little bear cub. You know what? The guys can talk a lot of shit about Khabib, but he's very humble. And he will, Chad, he will put you, he'll fold you like a pretzel.
Yeah.
That guy is a dangerous man. He will send location. Send location, Keeks.
Is this the first time we're going to hit 4,000 now? 402, 401, we've already broken the previous 404. So we have taken out those lows now. Remember what we spoke about on the daily time frame, Chad? 404 was the previous.
Keeks, I would love for us to take a sabbatical for a year at one stage. And then we go to Dagestan. And we just live and train with the boys there. Jesus, handig. Yo, eti. Jo, Dagestan, I don't know what the guys have there in the water. If you think about it, at one stage, all 4 of the champions were from Khabib's dad, because all of them lived like in one house. They all
They were a machine, bro.
Bro, I wonder if they had to play rugby, like, but they'll be like little Heinrich Rousseaus. Like, you won't get them off the ball. You just teach them how to fetch. And even running with the ball, I think.
Nah, but I'll give it that there, bro. When it's gonna come to that, because that's exactly what I'm saying. They know how to place their body weight. When it comes to fetching, you still gotta hold your body weight. You can't just throw your body weight now. I think it's gonna get a bit tricky with them, bro.
Russian rugby won't leave the scrum. One big submission. They won the game by submission. Everyone tapped out. Ankle lock.
Have you seen the guys that always play basketball? Yeah.
Yes, bro.
They're gonna wrestle you for that ball. Rip it properly.
Now, I have to say, Chad, the Dagestan guys, very humble. They, even if you look at his brothers win over the weekend, very humble. He's like, Dagestan, bro. I think you're born just like a bear. You're actually a human bear, and then you just get domesticated to be between people.
That's one way to look at it, bro.
You get born by the doctor putting you in a chokehold, and for you to get off the table, you have to get out of that chokehold. That's why they've got such a low birth rate. Some of the weaker. Have you heard of that thing, Keeks? Nature versus nurture. They apply that rule there. Oh, they can't cry again. Yes, dude, Dagestan, dude. I think we have to. I don't even think you can fly there, man. Dagestan. Let me check flights to Dagestan first. Brian, you won't see FX influencers there because they'll get blitzed if you catch on card there. Who did you scam? Khabib. Alright, good luck, my brother. Send location. Yo, bro. Send like little kids to put you in a chokehold there. Mashhad. So you can fly to Mashhad. But that's your run. Oh, you can go to Sochi. And it's 100 k's. Let's say we go in April. $10 days. Let's check what it's gonna cost.
No gold trade here this afternoon. Let's retire. Andre, what are we talking about? We already smashed it.
Joe, bro, you can't even get there. Brian, I'm not flying to Rwanda. Dagestan. That's 200 k's. Mashhad. Bro, is Mashhad not where all of these wars are going on?
I'm not sure, bro.
Right, it's not expensive. It's like 14k per person.
So when you think of it, it's probably not expensive because, I mean, not a lot of people want to go there.
Okay, but where was... In what area is Khabib and them? Let me check. Where does Khabib live in Dagestan? Soldi. Okay, we need to get to Soldi.
And when comes up with shouting, Dana, I want my money, I think Dana did instant payment.
Yeah, bro, Dana.
I got soft breach for moving my stop loss too big while entering a trade because gold moves so fast. In Joburg South, they use rations for gum guards.
Wait, say again.
Dana paid him quicker than Exxon.
Deep in the mountains. Right, got it here first.
Chad, here's the question while we're waiting there. How many of you are still waiting for 4,000? Who's still in that trade? Because I know some of you guys are.
Has it not tapped for? No, it's tapped for.
It hasn't.
There it goes. You wouldn't put a sell stop just below 4,000
There,
because
now it's smashed forward. Now it's under 39.98.
real men would take this 4,000 sell. Because if it gives that 4,000 up.
Chad, and remember, just keep in mind also, Keegs, we're still in. Yeah, you boys are naughty. Remember what we said this morning when we opened up and London was already 1% down. We said to you it's going to be a big day on gold. I am that real man. Hey.
I'm not gonna lie, XM pays quick, Chad. That is literally instant. Okay, Keek, so if you're ever ready, Mashad, let's just get Mashad. Let me just see where Mashad is.
What did I miss about Russian? What were we saying?
We're going to Dagestan.
Dagestan.
Yo, bro, what I feel like we're flying. How can they say this is close to Dagestan, bro? Dagestan is there, and they want us to fly to Mashhad. This
Wait,
is
where's Dagestan?
Dagestan is here next to Georgia. That section there.
Then why don't we fly to Georgia?
Yeah, I think.
We can fly straight to Georgia then.
Or we can fly to Azerbaijan.
Oh, I think we go to Azerbaijan.
And then I think we can drive in here.
Dagestan is part of Russia.
Bro, quickly look at this. Just to give you perspective. There's Moscow.
Yeah.
But look at this entire section of Russia. I feel like if you go in here, bro, look how much open space is still yet.
Georgia is visa free as well.
Bro, Russia is like an entire world on its own. And then you get, yeah, what's happening here?
Well, it was nice knowing you guys. We had a good run. All the best on that flight.
Let's check if you can actually get
Can't
here.
fly to Baku and not go to the race. 100%.
Bro, yes.
MCX Airport. What's MCX? Phew, bro, gold is just melting now. I mean, if you took 4,000 to sell, you already made more than 100 pips. What are you looking for, bro? You just like,
Bro, this
you
is
just like adventuring, yeah.
this is deep into, like, I don't know, you born here and you can never leave again. You just here, bro. This is like,
Is Jen still here? Oh. Could gold go for the daily S2? It's already past the daily S2.
remember what I said, if we cannot hold the average daily range, you will go to standard deviations. So
Daily S2 was
likely-
basically at 4,000. That's already past that.
So like I said during the analysis, likely we could go here. So another 180.
The target for me for this week, personally, I'm going to be looking for us to come to 39.22. So still a big drop this week for me personally on gold.
I would love to go to Russia actually. Do you ever go on like Google Maps and just like travel a little bit on Street View?
No, not really.
Really?
No.
I love it, bro. Just like go to, just see what it looks like. It's very clean there though, if you look at it. Like everything is like pristine. Little canal, yeah.
In Russia, the ladas are like the city ghosts. Highly recommend, Chris. Moscow is one of the best cities in the world.
In Russia, the ladas are like the city. How do you mean what is the ladas? Oh, the cars.
It's clean because if you litter, they'll chop you.
Would you like to go to Russia, Kigo?
Yeah, I probably would actually.
Do you think there's FX scammers in Russia?
If
These
not-
guys are also quite aggressive though.
Yeah,
They will blacksmith you. You will get clapped there if you.
I feel we still might have a little bit of size on them, but they are quite aggressive as well.
Yeah, and they wrestle bears and stuff, bro. When was the last time you wrestled a bear?
Probably when we had too much brandy.
Same, yeah. That was very long ago. Alright, I think we can call it a Kigo.
Yeah, we can call it. We definitely anything now. This is just gonna run now.
I wonder what's the heritage with their buildings. Do you think there's like Roman heritage?
I definitely think so if you look at the buildings.
Were the Romans in Russia, Chad? I know a lot of Roman heritage is in Spain because that's where they. I actually need to go and look at the history of Russia. I've never.
As a Russian person, I am laughing so loud now.
Yo, you don't play with the Russians, my dude. They will. And when I say Russians, I'm not talking about the Viennas.
Bro, but even
Russians. Why did he call it Russians, though, bro?
but even Slovakians, it is Russian that they speak, right?
I don't know, bro.
Because that's so my sister-in-law now. She's Slovakian, and like she'll still talk. I'm pretty sure it's Russian. Like, bro, it's when they talk, it's such an intimidating language. Like they just sound angry.
They are, bro. So, Keegs, the Russian, Chad, if you don't know, is named after the Russian kolbasa, which is a food that many Russians grow up with eating. Inside.
That's gosh, boss.
All right, let's wrap it up. I need to phone my wife now.
All right, Chad. But it was a good one there today. Thanks, James, for the money today. Yo, Chad, was a really, really good day. First 200 pip on gold this morning. If you were here now, another 200 pips on gold. And for those of you that held, another 400 pips on gold. So, your monster day. For some people, you basically can call it for the next 2 months already. Absolute monster day on the charts. But Kribo, thanks for joining. Any closing remarks from you, brother?
Nah, Chad, it's a good Monday. Yeah, no, it's good. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hopefully we just continue this momentum, keep it going. As you said, Chad, admin side quickly. The site is down. Rooksy, if you can, just drop that link there for WAP. Those of you guys that are going to be moving over or want to join, you go through the WAP process. Project G members, we will put a message out. We are going to start migrating you guys over. So if there is any errors, please just understand it's migration week. So just pop us an email. We will correct it if there is any mistakes. But we will get you guys over ASAP. And then Chad, yeah, we're going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow as always. And we will keep the movement going. So mentors, don't worry. You guys won't lose out on that signal money yet. But nonetheless, Chad, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Peace.
là sáng xưa rơi rụng, ôm nỗi sầu thầm lặng, hương sắc hoa sắp tàn, mặc kệ gió bấy ngàn, rồi biết đi về đâu. Trôi theo áng mây phiêu bồng, ai thấu lòng có nhớ, ai thấu hiểu lòng thương lắm vẫn duyên lỡ làng. Ai thương thân này đời có ngước lên trời cao sang rộng cánh tay, từng cánh chim bay lạ nơi nhưng nào ai hay. Chờ mùa xuân tới thân này chơi vơi, chờ khắp thế gian im lặng, hòa vào ánh mắt chuộc lòng nhân gian. Ôi phận tơ duyên sao xa, duyên sao xa, phận tơ duyên sao xa, phận tơ duyên sao xa. Sông sâu lời ta có thâu, vai vai lượt biết bao lâu, ta cho một chuyến quá mau để tranh về ngập đau đầu. Con tim này ai dẫn lối, chỉ mong đừng vô góc tôi. Cứ chốc vài giây bối rối, hãy nghĩ suy, đừng để ta chơi vơi làm chi, dứt khoát đất chất đã rồi bi. Thôi dứt khoát biệt ly, buông đôi tay chấm mệt và đi. Khoan dung qua làm chi, vì đằng sau lưng mà không thấy gì, để đổi lại một chút nhân nghĩa phong thế. Có ngước lên trời cao sang rộng cánh tay,